Hey guys, good afternoon. I think it's already 12 noon. So I'm getting ready because I am going to Pag-ibig Fund. Everything or Pag-ibig housing. And this is my first time. This is my first time going around Dumaguete alone and commuting. Because we've been there so many times pero nagmotor kami ni Hubs. And ngayon, nasa work si Hubs kaya I'm going there alone. Hindi ko pa alam kung saan ako sasakay ng ganito, ganyan. Pero for now, papuntang Pag-ibig Fund. Mag-book muna ako ng Grab Trike. Tapos, sa kanila ako magko-commute, maybe mag-jeep or magta-tricycle pa uwi na. Kasi ngayon kailangan ko makaabot before 1 o'clock siguro para right after the lunch break sa mga teller doon sa Pag-ibig Fund. So yeah, join with me guys. I wanna bring you along para nakoy kauban kung masaag manggaling ko. Pero di sa siguro kung masaag way kay Pag-ibig. But yeah, I'm not really hindi ako sanay na lalakad ng nag-iisa kasi palaging andyan si Hubs and palagi din kaming nagmumotor. So it's now the time to face this because this is our wait lang. This is my reality now. As Hubs is working on site. And ako lang yung pwedeng lalakad kasi RDO ko ngayon. But yeah, join with me guys. I'm just waiting for my Grab Trike to come. Ganda ng lighting. Ganda ng makeup ko. Wow! Hey guys. So, I booked a Grab Trike. Pero walang driver. I mean, walang available na malapit sa area. So, I'm walking. Naglalakad ako papuntang gate ng village or ng subdivision. Magko-commute na lang ako. So, ang init and I don't have an umbrella. So, tiis na lang muna. I'll buy an umbrella later. Para may magamit ako kapag mga ganito. Kapit na sa gate. So that's the gate. May guess na diri dapit among motor gibilin. Ginabilin rang Hubs ang motor here and naslay service every morning. Not sure kung naadari or nagmotor siya ganiha. Murag nagmotor siguro siya kay wadere. Dara. That's the gate. Hey guys, I'm walking home. So it's already 2 in the afternoon and kababalik ko lang. So I'm heading home na. Super init.